Hi everyone and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1973 AMC Javelin. Wicked cool car, guys. I've actually been trying to buy this car for a while. Comes with that showboard. Very cool car. This is the factory color combination Maxi blue, and it's got the original blue Domino or plaid, I refer to it as, but I think they actually call it Domino interior. Wicked cool car. It's had one repaint that was done in the early 2000s, but really just a cool car. Pretty original car. 92,000 original miles. I actually bought this car from a lady out of Tennessee. A buddy of mine, John, is the one who found the car for me. Knows this couple very well. This was her car. They bought the car out of Arizona. And like I say, just a very nice, wicked cool Javelin. Love the color combination. Very unique. You can see they got 15-inch chrome Magnums all the way around it. 10-inch wides on the rear. BF Goodrich Radial T's all the way around it. Good looking car. They've updated the headlights. Most of this trim, and you're going to see it, it's original. Front and rear spoilers. You can kind of, as we walk around, I try to point them out. Like I say, it's got you know, a pretty decently old paint on. I think 2004, yeah, was when this car was repainted. So you can pick the paint a little bit. It's not bad, but like I say, you can walk around and find some blemishes in it. Again, they took the car to car shows. Car's very nice. Don't think the paint's horrible, but again, it is an older paint. Factory tinted glass. You can see the dash pads in great shape. This is the original interior in this car. Love this color. It's got the rear window louvers, rear deck spoiler. Nice car. Car's got all the original panels. Again, I like the 10-inch wide Magnums on the back. I thought those were pretty cool. And again, paint slick. Don't think I'm tearing the paint apart. The paint looks great. Plenty of shine. You're not going to repaint this car. The paint's nice. Nice and slick. Chrome's in great shape, bumpers are nice. Again, little touch-up mark there. Door handles are really nice, dual sport mirrors. That is a good looking car. Original factory 360 car. It's got a Holley 4-barrel. We know the top half of the motor has been redone. It's got the hardened valve seats. They've upgraded it to MSD ignition. Stock intake, stock exhaust manifolds. It does have power steering, factory radiator with a shroud. It's got the original manual brakes. Factory air cleaner. It's got the chrome valve covers. Original automatic car. Really just a cool car. If you look, you can see the little blemish there. A couple little things you can pick. Man, I wouldn't touch this car. This car is gorgeous. And you want to talk about an intention draw. This thing Yeah, well, it blew up on our site when we posted the coming soon photos. But man, you park this thing out front, you wouldn't believe the people flock to this thing. And again, this stuff's original. Look how nice it is. Somebody has loved this car. Original door tag. You can see how clean the door seams are. And again, they said this is the original interior. Original carpet, everything. And again, that's called Blue Domino. Factory tack and gauges. Headliner looks great. Little fade on your steering wheel cover. Factory bucket seats, center console. It's got the correct shifter. Door buzzer works in it. Look how nice those gauges are. Clock works. See that? Tack works. The only thing we couldn't get in here to work was the radio. Blower motor worked. You can see the center console's in great shape. It's got an H-pipe Flowmaster dual exhaust on it that sounds great. Factory rear axle. It's got a 355 posi gear in the back. I bought another car from this couple, and same thing. Just you know, we had it a couple years ago, and it was just a great car. They really maintain their stuff. Not really messed with underneath, pretty just original underneath. I know that I was trying to buy this car, well, they were taking it to a parade, so that they wanted to keep it till the parade at least. So I had to wait till the parade was over. What a killer car. Look how nice. Again, these are original. I love the cockpit in these things. I think they make me feel like you're in an airplane. I think the driver's seat over there is so cool. Again, factory tinted glass. No big cam, nothing crazy, good sound, but just runs and drives just as sweet as can be. The body lines on these cars are just so cool, so unique. Gauges all works, holding good oil pressure. You can see the tack works. I think even the backup lights work. Yep, backup lights work. What a cool car. No on the radio, blower motor does work. I think we've got the original owner's manual in the glove box. They've updated the headlights. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of us. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep track of us is on our website. You can subscribe to our page now, but definitely subscribe to this YouTube. You can do that by clicking the little red button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video. Look at that car. What a good looking car. So unique. hopefully get a break in the traffic here.